Bought white fungus and papaya to make white fungus soup to share with my puppy. Remove the seeds from the papaya. Cut half to eat first. Peel and cut into pieces. Fresh white fungus looks like a bath sponge. Discard the root. Cut into smaller pieces. Add a few lychees for sweetness. These lychees are really delicious, not sour or astringent at all. Add purified water and stew for 2 hours. The main course is venison eye meat. Bitter chrysanthemum. Divide the soup. Duck liver and rabbit kidney jelly. Blackberries. For fish, serve soury. Calcium citrate powder. Nutritional yeast powder. Iodine solution. Bee pollen. Add another fresh dessert.